Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. This is the Silk Route where we stayed, guys. Just incredible. If you're up in this way in Gulmit, come and stay here. Just incredible. Passu, that's the Passu cones you can see there. Unbelievable. Now I've got some hard riding to do. I fly out of Lahore and I thought I did the same thing I did in Sri Lanka. I changed my ticket so I could go home earlier. Yaneth asked me to, and she has every right to. She lets me do this stuff. And my old ticket left at 5:30 in the afternoon, so I'm thinking I had 7 days. But this ticket leaves at 1:30 in the morning. I just checked my email last night, so really it's the 14th instead of the 15th. So I've only got 6 days. Hard riding, so I'd better get on the road, guys. It's going to be some long days, but that's all right. Some beautiful country. Look at this. Unbelievable. It's freezing cold, colder than it was going up to the Chinese border. Pass. Oh, guys, worth it. Filming me again. So Carl and I were talking the other day about what made the lake so blue, but here with no sun on it, it's not blue. Beautiful colour, but it's not that bright blue, so it's definitely the sun that gives it its colour. That stuff on the other camera just suddenly stopped. It says low battery, because I changed batteries over. As I was explaining, I was thinking maybe it was just because it's so cold that the blue battery, and those who know GoPro will know what I'm talking about, the blue battery might have been too cold, and the white batteries are supposed to handle the cold better. I changed it over, but the blue battery's not working in the other cam either. Hopefully it's just because it's cold, it hasn't had a chance to warm up. But I've already had 2 batteries die this trip, so I've only got 2. So if this happens, if something goes wrong with this one, I've got 1 battery and 2 cameras. Riding home to see Yaneth. Look what I'm riding through. I'm so happy, guys. So I was saying yesterday that every village here has its view, and he's right. Every village has got a mountain like this one. Something that's just spectacular. Guys, come to northern Pakistan. Do Ladakh, come across to Pakistan, do northern Pakistan. Just incredible. I've been riding maybe 2 hours, hour and 45 minutes. My tummy's been rumbling for a while, but I keep seeing restaurants too late to stop. I don't want to turn around because there's a million restaurants. Yeah, that's what I'm doing now, is looking for my breakfast. Just went through one of the army checkpoints where they gave me a cup of tea last time, a couple of videos ago I think, guys. And they were all so excited, shaking my hands and everything. I really do. I love this country. Yes, this is where I had breakfast on the way up. I might as well stop here because I know it's good food. I know they're friendly, happy people. So let's go and have some eggs, paratha and chai. Hello!
Hello, good morning.
How are you?
Brother, how are you?
I'm very good, my friend. Thank you. Very good. I'm hungry. 1 paratha, 2 egg, half fried, and 1 chai.
Okay,
Thank
okay,
you.
okay.
Yeah, and the soldiers at the checkpoint were so excited to see me, and I just came in and had my breakfast at the same place, and yeah, he was saying, oh, welcome back, brother, welcome back. So yeah, people are happy when you come back again. And it was just the cold that was mucking up helmet cam, because now I swapped the batteries over, but now that the normal cam's warmed up, it's not stopping on me. So yeah, it must have been icy cold this morning, freezing. And I just tried 3 banks in this little town. None of them accept my card, but that's alright. I know which bank to go to in Gilgit, but that means I have to actually go into Gilgit, and I was trying not to, but it's only an extra 10 minutes on the day, it's nothing. The bank in Gilgit worked, and I knew that. I'd been to this bank before I got money, and most of the banks in Gilgit didn't work, but the reason I stopped at that other village, because it was the same bank. I was sure it'd work, but it's weird, guys. So yeah, when you're in Pakistan, don't panic if your card doesn't work, just go to another bank, even another branch of the same bank. This is the 3 mountain viewpoint. The Hindu Kush, Karakorams and the Himalayas, the 3 mountains right there. But I stopped here in another video, so if you want more information on this, you're going to have to go back and watch the 3 Mighty Mountains video. I think it was maybe 2 or 3 videos back today, guys, and it's very everyone's coming up to the mountains for the weekend, so there's a lot more traffic, a lot more buses. A couple of times this morning I've had to hit the brakes on corners, people passing, and they're still fixing. But we'll get through. It's not as bad as it was the other day where the whole road was covered. Okay. We're at the other end. Everything was at the wrong camphor, so I couldn't put the bike on the stand, but now at least this time I can put the bike on the stand. They're telling me 25 minutes, but they've let everyone through from the other side, so I'm thinking that all excavators are put away and we'll be able to go any minute now. These are all my travelling companions, everyone waiting. Say hello. And guys, again, the lottery of birth. Those little, not even tents, sort of shanties more than anything. That's a family living down there. And the fact that we're all parked up here is a big deal, because you can hear the kids screaming at us. Guys, we're so lucky to be born in the West. Well, here's one of those decisions in life, guys. This is the hotel just here, but that's the sign for it over there that I stayed at last time. And now I have to make the decision. It's only 1:30, but I know there's not another hotel to the other side of the path. So I'm going to keep going, but it's going to make today one hell of a long day. But that's all right, guys. I've got to make up some miles, and this way I've got no choice. And I just stopped for a cold drink and 5 minutes of letting my butt rest. I just had one drink. I had a I can't remember. Anyway, I had a sugary drink, and just about everyone in there offered to pay, and they were almost fighting over who was going to pay for my drink. I love Pakistani people, really. What an incredible, happy country. Well, I can't believe it, guys. We made it over Babusa top in one day. It's still pretty early, you can see where the sun is up there, so we're going to go for a while longer, but it won't be much longer. First decent hotel maybe. I think it's about, hang on, 2 20 to 4, so yeah, first decent hotel we'll stop. Guys, this is Hunza, Mateen, Samir and Mateen. And they've just been chatting here, talking to me, guys. The friendly people of Pakistan, it surprises me every day. Thank you, my friends.
You are welcome. You're always welcome here. And if you need anything at all, any trouble, you can just simply call us. We are right beside you.
Thank you very much. Every Pakistani tells me that because you're such hospitable people.
And
it amazes me.
For your traveller ahead.
Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. And guys, you'll be able to hear her in the background warming up. It's so cold. Even rolling up my electrical cables from the computer and the power board. Stiff as a board. It's freezing, but now the sun's there, it's a bit better. This is the Pack Dream Hotel, the Babusa tops, not that far that way. All these guys are heading up there. And yeah, like I said yesterday, the traffic, these guys, most of these people left Lahore at 10 o'clock at night and got here about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So that's why yesterday was so dangerous. But anyway, guys, I've got plenty of footage to make a video, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We'll see you in the next one.